What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, we shoot pearls, flakes, even candies sometime over top. We create new interesting color combinations, and then you guys get to decide, do you love it or hate it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys can rate it anywhere in between. Today, I've got an exciting new Ultrashift pearl from Eye Candy Pigments called Itsumade. It looks like it's an orange to copper to who knows what, because these Ultrashift pearls shift a wide range of different colors. And you always want to shoot them over a gloss black to get the full effect. So that's what we're going to do today, guys. I got my fender prepped up behind me. We're going to lay some Rustoleum gloss black down, and then we're going to hit it with some Itsumade Ultrashift from Eye Candy Pigments. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our fender behind me based in gloss black, so you know what time it is. It's time for some Eye Candy Ultrashift. It's Itsumade. Wow, this is going to be a really cool one today. I just got that feeling. I am using my Finish 1 clear coat as usual. 4 parts clear, 1 part medium hardener. I'm going to do a little over 5 ounces total in the mix of the actual clear, and then about 1.5 ounces of the hardener. Give myself a little more material to work with today because we are shooting one of these Ultra Shifts. They're a very high-end pearl, and I want you guys to get the full effect, so I want to do as many coats as it takes to get there. And yeah, so it's Itsumade. Wow, very, very cool. I'm looking forward to this one. I think I've said that about 1,000,000 times, but it is what it is. I always look forward to shooting these Ultra Shifts just because they're so crazy. But I'm going to do about, let's see, 1/2 teaspoon in the mix today, and then I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this in the mix. Alright guys, so this is Itsumade Ultra Shift. Look at them coppers to golds. Man, I bet it's probably going to have some greens in it too. Really don't know. But let's get to mixing it up. This is what it looks like in the mix before I even get going. You already see the oranges. And then we get to mixing. Wow, that is really cool. I see oranges, I see browns, I see greens, golds, a little bit of everything. Man, these Ultra Shifts are always crazy. Look at that, guys. That is insane looking. And you always see like black undertones too, which is, I don't know why it does that. If anybody knows why, definitely let me know. Jeff from Eye Candy, what's going on? Why do I always see black in here? But anyways, all right, really cool, guys. Let's load up the V-Vor gun, and let's get to spraying some of this crazy Ultra Shift. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun loaded up with some of this Itsumade Ultra Shift from Eye Candy Pigments. It is my V-Vor gun. It has a 1.4 tip. I shoot a 28 psi wide open trigger if you decide to replicate my settings. I'm going to do a light coat on this first, make sure I don't get any reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats till I get the desired effect. Then we're taking it out in the sun. We're going to see what we got. I'm really excited. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so Itsumade, the Crazy Copper Ultrashift. Man, this thing is crazy. I am a sucker for an orange, and it has a lot of the same properties as Tanuki. I don't know if you saw that one where it was dominated with purples. This one's got like a really cool copper orange, and I mean it shifts really hard to bright gold. So if you're looking at orange, golds, even a slight bit of green, man, this is the go-to Ultrashift for you. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. Itsumade Ultrashift by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Black. Jeff, the owner of Eye Candy, actually suggested 3 coats was a sweet spot, and I definitely agree. Man, but dude, these Ultrashifts are just insane, and this one in particular, it's kind of like Tanuki, but it's with coppers and bronzes and even greens and golds at hard angles, and man, it's one of my favorites, guys, because I'm a sucker for blues and oranges, and this is kind of like that candy orange look. And man, but the color shifting capabilities of these Ultrashifts are just insane. But ultimately, guys, it ain't up to me, it's up to you. I want you guys to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you ever seen. And if you decide you want to spray with Itsumade Ultrashift from Eye Candy Pigments, I am an affiliate, so I can get you a discount. Links will be in the description. You can click those, go to their store, and buy this Itsumade Ultrashift. And at checkout, type in WAW Candy, Wall Candy, WAW Shop, Wall Shop. Either 2 of those codes will get you my discount, and it goes to help out the channel. Also, if you like this finished one clear, it's beautiful clear coat. It's high solid, so it lays out really nice. And the paint gun, everything I use on the channel, links will be in the description for that. It's in my Amazon store. As seen on YouTube, you click that link, it takes you there, and you can purchase everything I use on the channel. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you made it this far today, guys, and you like what I'm doing, please smash that subscribe button so I can continue doing crazy spray outs, because it's only going to get crazier, and all kinds of interesting things, helping the channel grow. And yeah, we'll keep on moving along, and ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. And drop me a like and comment, guys. Let me know what spray outs you'd like to see next that I haven't done on this channel. If you haven't already, go back and take a look at some of my other videos. I got tons of them, and we do all kinds of different crazy spray outs on this channel. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you for watching today. I hope you will like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.